Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 86 in this road to 100k realized return challenge, and apparently the market is recovering from the lows of at the end of last week. Looking at the news, this is I would say nothing more than a correction or some sort of compensation after what has gone down over the last week. Investors are still monitoring the latest developments on the war of Iran, and prices of oil have receded somewhat. This move upwards in the equities is also due to the fact that there's apparently some aid that the US is providing by allowing Iranian oil tankers to pass through the Strait of Hormuz, but I don't think that this makes much of a difference. The tensions will still continue, and that will continue to cause jitters in the market. So far, as trading itself goes, there's not much that we could do in terms of IWM and the Qs. They are trading a long way of our cost basis, and because of that we still have these trades open. We set up a limit of 15 here for these calls, but yeah, the premiums are nowhere near, so probably we'll have to lower our expectations. I'm just going to put this up to 10 and see if any surge in the price may cause the premiums to go a little bit further up. And when it comes to the IWM, the same thing. Even this one these two calls are for Monday next week, not Friday, but still the prices are very much subdued, and there's probably not much that we can do about this. We're gonna have to wait. Let's see if these premiums are enough to get some premium out of this, but I'm not counting on anything extraordinary to happen, and so probably we'll have to lower our limits on premiums so that we can then at the end still get some premium. It's best than nothing, and it's sad, but there's nothing we can do about it. For the trades that we have already placed, we still managed to get a very good price, very good premium on Nvidia, because the price was hovering around 184, but I decided not to push further and just stick to the strike price that we have already set for the weeks prior. So 185, it's still a $500 potential capital gain, and so the premium was very good, was 259. For the RKKs, we still managed to collect 40 cents per share. The price is hovering around 71.70, so there's still some chance that it may go up a little bit more, but honestly, given the situation from a geopolitical perspective, I'm not expecting that this strike price will be achieved, and I'm also expecting that our put for the 63 strike price is not going to be assigned, because the price would have to really come down in a long way, and we are dealing with somewhat depressed prices already. Now, because the stock price of the junior miners are still some way below the cost basis of our 100 shares, we only got 10 cents on the of premium with the 36 call option that we sold, and we still use some of the buying power that we had to sell this put on with a 29 strike price. This put had the 87% probability of profit, so this was a 13 delta put, and the price now is hovering at around 31.65. So it's possible that this put may be assigned, even though the low delta, despite the low delta. But honestly, I think this put will expire without any value, as we won't reach the 36 dollar price here. But for me, the biggest concern is really the IWM and the Qs. This is something that I'm expecting or hoping that it can happen if we end up selling these NVIDIA these NVIDIA shares. And keep in mind, we only sold for March 18, and the reason for that is because the biggest volatility event that we will have this week is the Fed meeting, and this option will expire specifically on that day. And so if we manage to still get to sell our shares at 185 at that time, we may still be able to do something by selling a put or something like that on IWM. Maybe depends on how the price will be here, but probably we'll still need some more funds. So at that moment, if we see that this put will become in prime position to be repurchased, we'll do it, and the same goes for this one, so that we can release enough capital to sell another put on IWM, and hopefully we'll be able to lower our cost basis. But so far this is pretty much it. Yeah, we are bracing ourselves for the Fed meeting this week. Also, we have PPI coming, but honestly, this is going to be probably not in a good way because of the last one was not also kind to us. But we will see. For the time being, this is all. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section down below. I'm also available on LinkedIn in case you need to ask me any questions. And as always, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll reconvene next weekend to close out the week number 86 in this challenge. And I'll see you there.